呢條片咧會講一講喺 Section 11C 同11D 嘅一啲嘅標準重點㗎。咁呢兩個書咧，咁加埋 MC 咧，平均出2.1分。Long Quest 咧平均出7.9分嘅，咁即係加埋大概10分左右啦。咁10分嚟講咧，咁啊喺即係成個 Chem Syllabus 無論係 Compile 好 Elective 好咧，咁應該都係最重要嘅一個部分嚟㗎啦。係啦，咁就基本上11C 同11D 咧，嗰個 focus 都差唔多嘅。咁都係講緊呢一紮嘅 organic reaction，咁要去認識佢哋啦。咁包括咧要識佢哋嘅 reagent、condition、observation，仲有咧就係 equation 啦、product 啦，仲有就係譬如係下邊啦 laboratory preparation 啦、purification 咁都係要識嘅。係啦，咁 reaction 嘅數量啦，咁啊都幾多嘅。咁其實就只有少量咧係喺即係 Section 5 fossil fuels and carbon compounds 嗰課書學過嘅啫。咁主要都係一啲 alkenes 同 alkenes，咁可能會學過少少。咁但係其他其實基本上都係全新㗎啦。咁所以 reaction 嘅量咧就真係唔少嘅。咁所以比較好嘅做法咧就唔係即係學晒所有 reaction 一次去做 past paper 或者去做練習，而係咧就學一啲嘅 reaction 之後咧就即刻去做 past paper，咁就會比較容易去 consolidate 到大家嘅 knowledge 嘅。咁所以咧，如果你哋順住我哋嗰個嘅即係 by topic 嘅 page 去睇嗰啲嘅即係 past paper 嘅解卷片嘅話咧，咁你會留意到我哋咧將啲題目就拆得比較散少少，咁就即係唔同嘅 reaction 咧都會將啲題目就拆開咁樣，咁啊務求咧可以令到大家學嘅時候咧，咁就相對會冇咁吃力少少咁樣咯。係啦，咁另外咧特別想講一講下邊 laboratory preparation 同埋 purification 嘅。咁 laboratory preparation 咧，咁例如可能有一啲嘅 setup 要畫啦，例如係可能 heating under reflux 嗰啲要識畫啦咁樣。咁另外就係 purification 嗰度咧，咁其實就呢啲 content 咧就通常都係喺 Section 15 NChem 嗰度咧先會考多啲嘅。咁但係即係 Compile 佢都冇話唔考得嘅。咁基本上喺我印象中咧，應該喺 Compile 就只有出過一次 MC 嘅啫，咁啊2013年嘅，係啦。咁啊，除咗嗰次之外咧，應該都冇一條咧係真係好明顯係 focus 喺 purification 嗰 part 噶啦。咁所以大家都唔使特別擔心，咁都可以去到真係 Section 15學緊 NChem 嗰陣咧，先特別去即係了解多少少 purification 呢一 part 咁樣咯。係啦，咁就基本上咧11C同11D咁聽落好似好多嘢去學咁樣啦，好似個難度都偏高咁樣啦。咁但係反而咧，我就覺得呢兩課書咧，如果真係熟晒啲 reaction 咧，其實就唔難掌握嘅，因為呢兩課書咧，佢可以問嗰個嘅深嘅程度係有限，即係始終都係一啲嘅 reaction，咁佢好少可以出到好刁鑽嘅，係啦，咁所以就基本上如果真係熟啲 reaction 咧，咁基本上做 past paper 係比較容易係攞到個比較好嘅分數咁樣嘅，係啦，咁所以就最緊要就熟翻呢啲 reaction 啦咁樣。咁另外咧，如果你睇翻 syllabus 咧，咁去到第76頁嘅部分，咁你會見到一紮嘅一啲嘅 reaction 同埋佢哋相對應嘅 condition 嘅，例如係呢個啦 alkene 變做 alkane 嘅一個 reaction 咁樣啦。咁咧佢就同你講個 reaction 係啲咩，係啦，同埋需要啲咩嘅 condition 係需要個 catalyst 咁樣，咁佢會寫晒俾你㗎啦。咁就唔需要特別去 refer 去，譬如即係望翻嗰啲textbook 啊，或者望翻補習啲 notes 啊咁樣，咁啊唔使睇嗰啲啦。咁呢個就最準啦，因為呢個係即係教局出㗎嘛，咁所以呢個應該係最權威、最官方嘅一個嘅版本咁樣咯，係啦。咁整體呢一課咧就大致上就係咁樣啦。